Describe a time when you did an exciting activity with other people. You should say what the activity was, where you did this activity, why you did this activity, and explain how you felt about it. One of the most exhilarating experiences I've ever had with a group of friends was going whitewater rafting. This adventure took place on a river that winds through the mountains about 3 hours from my hometown. The river, renowned for its challenging rapids and breathtaking scenery, was the perfect spot for such a thrilling escapade. The reason we decided to embark on this adventure was multifaceted. Primarily, we were all looking for an adrenaline rush, something that would push us out of our comfort zones and create unforgettable memories. Additionally, it was a friend's birthday, and instead of the usual dinner or party, we thought doing something daring would be a refreshing change. As we navigated the rough waters, I remember feeling a mix of fear and exhilaration. The rapids were more intense than I had imagined, and there were moments when I thought we might capsize. However, those feelings were overshadowed by the sheer excitement of working together as a team. It was an experience that required every ounce of focus and cooperation. If one person had lost concentration, we could have been in serious trouble. What made the activity particularly special wasn't just the thrill of facing the powerful rapids. It was the camaraderie and the bond we forged through overcoming a shared challenge. The rush of adrenaline, the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains, and the sheer sense of accomplishment we felt afterward made it an unforgettable experience. In retrospect, if it hadn't been for my friend's insistence on trying something new, I probably would never have had the courage to attempt whitewater rafting. But it was precisely this leap into the unknown that made the experience so exhilarating. It was not only a test of our physical endurance, but also a testament to our friendship and collective spirit. I am convinced that this adventure brought us closer together and provided a valuable lesson in trust and teamwork.